What's the meaning of cloud? Cloud. Cloud.
Cloud. Cloud. The term cloud refers to the use of remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than using local servers or personal computers. Cloud computing has become increasingly popular in recent years as it offers greater flexibility, scalability, and cost savings for businesses and individuals alike. The cloud allows users to access their data and applications from any device with an internet connection, making it easier to work remotely and collaborate with others in real time. Overall, the cloud is a powerful technology that has revolutionized the way we store and process information.